Kia ora. We're the Ramsey family. We live and farm on the stunning south coast of New Zealand. We have a beautiful herd of 320 Jersey and Friesian cows. We farm with the seasons, and as such, our cows are outside all year round, grazing pasture and enjoying the southland sun. Please join us and our herd as we travel through a full calendar year in 2025 and all that it entails. January is a great month. It's our summertime. The cows are full of milk. The sunrises are amazing. And we get a chance to catch our breath after a very busy period as we are spring calving and we have finally finished mating. The cows are enjoying lush green grass, freshly pre-mowed. We pre-mow for much of the season to maximise both intake and quality of grass. We find this gives us a very consistent and high-performing diet. The south coast of New Zealand is a fantastic place to farm. It provides the perfect climate for pastoral farming. Not too hot, not too cold, not too wet. It's up to us to make the most of it. To help us do this, we measure the grass growth every week to identify any surplus or deficit on the milking platform. But when it does rain, it pours. The summer moisture is always welcome though, as it creates a huge spike in grass growth and we can bale that up and stack it away for times of need. We'll use these bales for the Springer cows on the calving pad. It's not all work, however. Local events such as A&P shows and Southland Crank Up are fantastic family days out. And everyone loves a good tractor pull.
Don't hold a lot of hope, as you can see the JCB fully off the ground now.
January is the new year, the fresh start and the chance to look ahead. It's exciting to think what this year may bring, and we wish all the very best to you. So, please follow along for the rest of the year and find out what's in store. Thanks for watching. Ka kite anō, matiwa.